Hi there, Matt here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video walk around of a Volkswagen Tiguan SEL. This car is finished in night blue metallic, an optional feature for the car, along with the 19-inch alloy wheels. You can see you also get privacy glass with this car as an optional feature, and you've got the Bi-Xenon headlights with the LED daytime running lights as standard, going with the standard LED rear lights you can see. Some of the standard trim being shown around the car with the hexagon design grills, chrome inserts and some of the matte silver inserts to match the wheel design. You've got the matte silver roof rails you can see here, some trim on the rear to match that, as well as the chrome exhaust tips you can see. You've got a power tailgate to this car. You can see that opens up the boot to show the massive luggage space you've got. Moving to the inside of the car now, you can see the full leather interior with the contrast stitching and contrast piping. The seats are full electric with the memory settings. You've got a multi-function leather steering wheel here. You can see access to the cruise control functions on that. You've got the push to start button to the left of that, as well as the drive select modes just below. This car is capable in all kinds of conditions. You've also got a virtual cockpit display, as well as the electric parking brake, heated seats and the climate control functions. You've got parking sensors with this car, a full colour sat nav, DAB radio and lots more features through the centre screens here. And you can see in the back you've got picnic tables which drop down with very sturdy cup holders on the side. You can see you also get a massive panoramic roof in this car to really open up and let some light in. If you'd like any more information on this Tiguan SEL, please don't hesitate to contact one of our sales team through the number at the end or inquire through our website.